Good morning students. Today we will do the next portion of the chapter Light, Shadows and Reflections. Today we will mainly focus on the pinhole camera. Now what is pinhole camera? It is a simplest form of camera that we can see, and it is based on the principle that the light travels in a straight line. You know all students that about the rectilinear propagation of light, that light always travels in a straight line path. Depending on the property of that light, pinhole camera works, and we can see the images of different objects using a pinhole camera. Now, what is the actual structure of the pinhole camera? That we will know later. Before that, we will learn how to make pinhole camera in a simplest way at your home. For this, you need to take some materials. What are they? Sharp pencil, empty shoe box, because empty shoe boxes can be easily available at your home maybe. So you will get it, or any kind of cardboard box you can use. Knife, scissors, ruler, wax paper or tracing paper, tape, blanket. Okay students. Now with the help of simple 7 easy steps, we can easily make pinhole camera. For this, first take that shoebox and make a small hole with the help of the sharp pencil in the shorter end of the shoebox. Okay students, you can see in the picture, using the point of a sharp pencil you can easily punch a hole. Now step 2, you need to take a knife, so you need to handle with knife, so you need to take the help of your parents. So what to do? At one end of the shoebox you have made a small hole. Just the opposite end of that shoebox, you need to make a square first. With the help of pencil and the scale, you need to make a square in the middle of that end. And the length of the sides of the square should be 2 inches. Okay? So after drawing the square, you take a knife and you need to cut the square. Okay, so you are making a hole which is the shape of a square. Now step 3. Now you need to take a wax paper students, and you need to use scissor. Again on the wax paper you can make a square, and the side or the length of the side of the square will be 3 inches. Okay, now draw the square on the wax paper and using the scissor cut the square of wax paper. Now what we need to do? You have already made the hole which is the shape of a square, and over it you need to cover that hole by using the wax paper. So place the wax paper directly over the square you cut in the box. This will act as screen, and you can use the tape to paste it, or gum you can use. Now step 5, what we need to do? Take the camera box to a dimly lit room. Even if it is a dark room, only you need to take a lamp or any sort of candle that you can take any source of light. And you need to stand about 5 feet from the lamp. Now step 6, cover your head and pinhole camera with a blanket. Okay, now what we need to observe, we need to take that pinhole camera that we have made, and in which side there is a wax paper, that side will face towards you, and the side in which you have made the pinhole, that will face the source of light. That means the candle you have taken, the lamp you have taken, that one. Here in this picture it will be clear, I think. Here this is your pinhole camera which is made from shoebox, and you can see at which end there is a hole. That end is facing the lamp, or you can use the candle here, and at which end you have placed that wax paper, that end is facing towards you. Okay, now hold the pinhole camera tightly and face the wax paper, and you need to cover, I already told you, you need to cover your head with the blanket, because if it is a dimly lit room or from anywhere light is coming, it will not disturb the working of the pinhole camera if you are covering the head with a blanket or any kind of bed sheets which is thick. Okay, now what you can observe, students, you can observe the image of the lamp in the wax paper, and the image will be inverted. Image means nothing. You can see the same structure of the source of light in the screen or in the wax paper. An interesting fact, if you take any candle here, suppose the flame of the candle is looking like this. Here in this wax paper you can see the inverted flame of that candle. Have you understood, students? The inverted image of that object can be seen on the wax paper. Now, why the image is inverted, that I will explain in the next class, students. Up to this, you will learn from your book. Hope you have understood how to make the pinhole camera in an easy way. Thank you, students.